Driver. Driver. You want to clear a ledge, driver? Stop. Back up and realign. Okay. Driver. Okay. Keep it straight. You got it. Keep it coming. No obstacle. You're gonna hit a bump on your left. Let's hear you off 4 low.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm blocked.
Okay. Yeah, it's coming. You're gonna hit a bump on your passenger, but keep it straight. Go drive. Turn driver a bit.
We'll walk that clutch, man.
Just
Not
that
much.
Too much. Straight out.
Too much. You're going up the rock.
Straight out. Straight out. Straight. Straight the wheel straight. Steering wheel straight. Good. You're set.
Am I straight?
Yeah, right there. Go there. Take it easy. Come in. Coming. You got it. Clearing.
Alright, so I gotta like muscle it.
You can
No. You just can't let off that. You gotta work that clutch.
I know. I'm just trying to.
Hey, you're gonna bump it a bit. Once you clear it, you know you should have some traction again. Driver.
Get off that clutch,
Slightly
homeboy.
driver. There. Keep it coming. Keep it.
There you go. Come on. There you go. Less gas. Less gas.
So this is where you're gonna crawl over with your
burning.
That would be clutch.
We were just talking
That's your
about
clutch.
that. Woo.
Okay, so right here you are gonna have to rev up around. The obstacle is gonna get the tire over this ledge, and then the second obstacle is gonna be your driver tire over this ledge, and then it's pretty much straight and you can turn. So you are gonna have to with your clutch.
I have no problem.
Engine steps, everything's good.
Building rocks.
Yeah, so far you're not gonna get caught on anything. It's pretty much straight. From here you can even go a little bit driver just so you don't like slide this way and you know end up going.
You can go flat over this.
Not rolling, but getting your center stuck on, you know, your front bumper on this bad angle. So you do want to go a little bit passenger.
You want to go as far right.
Turn a little bit passenger.
We're going from bumper to bumper.
Probably as
So this is the center.
as far as it turns.
Yeah, because you want to stay. They
Yeah,
would
it's
really
locked
walk
otherwise.
from this
Okay.
rock.
Right there, you're just gonna have to.
Like,
You can feel it. You can try to go slow. See how you feel it.
They had a bad approach.
How your traction's going.
Very nice. Nice and slow.
Good.
All right.
Your slider.
You're good.
Straight on the slider. Okay, so now the issue is going to be hit your rear tire.
I'm not doing that.
It's going to hit this.
I'm not doing that in my truck.
Well, he's got a manual.
Shift to four-wheel drive.
It's not spinning. You almost had it, but you had your front tire up on the ledge. And then the other downside is right here. Let me put a rock on that one.
He could.
Well, we need a bigger rock, so hold.
I stacked a bunch of on his back tire.
So we need a stack of rock there, just to alleviate that.
Want something? Here.